Hi everyone, this is Milan from Techie Druid. Windows 10 has officially reached its end of support on October 14, 2025. That means your PC is no longer getting security updates, and over time, it becomes unsafe to use, especially for browsing, payments, and day-to-day work. But the good news is, you can still keep using Windows 10 safely for many more years. In this video, I'll show you how to upgrade your existing Windows 10 Home or Pro to Windows 10 IoT Enterprise LTSC 2021, which receives security updates until January 13, 2032. This method keeps all your files, installed apps, and settings exactly as they are. So let's begin the step-by-step process and extend the life of your Windows 10 PC all the way up to 2032. To begin the upgrade, the only change we need to make is inside the Windows Registry. This small edit will allow your system to accept the IoT Enterprise LTSC installer and perform an in-place upgrade without deleting anything. Click on the Start button and type regedit. Open the Registry editor. When it appears, navigate to the folder called HKey Local Machine. Then open Software, then Microsoft, then Windows NT. And finally, open the folder named Current Vision. Inside this folder, you'll see many values, but we only need to change one of them. Find the entry called Edition ID. Double-click it. You'll see the value set to either Professional or Home depending on which version of Windows you are using right now. Change this value to IoT Enterprise S. Type it exactly as shown with the same capital letters. Click OK. That is all you need to modify. Do not restart your computer after this. Simply close the Registry Editor window. The system is now ready for the upgrade. The next step is to download the IoT LTSC ISO file. Open your browser and search for Windows 10 IoT Enterprise LTSC 2021. Go to this archive.org page for Windows 10 IoT Enterprise LTSC 2021. Click on the ISO image link. The file size is around 4.5 GB, so depending on your internet speed, the download may take a few minutes. Now that the ISO file has finished downloading, go to the folder where it was saved. Right-click on the ISO file and select the option called Mount. Windows will create a virtual DVD drive and open it automatically. Inside this drive, you'll see a file named setup.exe. Double-click on it. The Windows 10 IoT Enterprise LTSC setup window will appear. When it asks whether you want to download updates, choose the option that says Not right now. The setup will now begin checking your system. After the checks are complete, you'll see a screen showing the edition that will be installed. It should say Windows 10 IoT Enterprise LTSC 2021. Just below that, you'll see a confirmation that your personal files and apps will be kept. This is very important because it means everything on your computer will remain exactly as it is. Now, click on Install. Your system will begin the upgrade process. The screen will turn blue and your PC will restart several times. This is normal, so do not interrupt it. All you need to do now is let Windows complete the installation. When the upgrade is finished, you will come back to your desktop exactly as it was before. All the apps, files, and settings will be still in place. The only difference is that your system is now running the IoT LTSC edition. To confirm this, click on the Start button and open Settings. Go to System and then open the About page. Here you will see the edition of Windows that is currently installed on your PC. It should show Windows 10 IoT Enterprise LTSC 2021. This confirms that the upgrade was successful and that your system is now on the long-term support version of Windows 10. Your Windows may show as not activated after the upgrade, and that is completely normal because the IoT LTSC edition uses a different type of product key. To activate it, you can either enter a valid IoT LTSC key if you already have one. If you don't have the key, you can get it through the official and legal methods available online. Of course, People have their own ways of handling activation depending on what they prefer or what they usually do on their systems. I'm not going to show or recommend anything here, but experienced users already know the common approaches. Whatever method you choose, once Windows verifies the activation, your system will show as fully activated. From this point forward, your device will continue to receive security updates until January 13, 2032. This means your Windows 10 system will remain secure and supported for many more years, even though regular Windows 10 has already reached the end of support.